What's up?
Nothing.
Stop touching my ass.
What are you doing? Why are you coming in here?
Just want to see what's going on.
Well, we were thinking about dinner ideas, but we were kind of doing it just us two. We didn't really think you were gonna come in here. It was more of a private conversation, so I don't really know why you opened the door.
All right.
So,
Right.
Any last words for before you leave? Okay, well, when you can close the door behind you. Thank you.
I just wanted to talk to you about what's gonna happen tonight, with everything going on.
What's that?
I'm not, to be honest, like right now, I'm not really sure. And right now things have gotten, a little tumultuous with, the branding, the company.
The kind of overall direction?
What?
The overall direction?
Yeah, the board is not kind of a fan of what we're doing, and it's all gonna end soon. Get out.
Okay.
Okay, what's for dinner?
cheeseburger?
Sounds
Good to me. I want to get hungry like a little slut.
What do you want?
Whatever's good. Honestly.
Andy! Dude, get out of here!
You're getting confrontational, and I'm trying to make something happen.
Get out. I guess it's a yes from Jay.
Let's go! Wait, what's the plan? Wait, what are you doing? Andy, what are you doing? Andy, get out of the room. We don't have a plan yet. Spring vibes popping off!
Let's
Do this. I can't wait. That's like holy lighting.
Andy!
What's up?
I just think that it's over between you and me. You two. Fucker. It's done.
Let's get coffee.
Alright, that's it.
Hey Andy, good luck with everything, and when they go low, you go high.